my gosh, wait till you see this road. You can't see, you can see the interstate. You can see it's up and gone. You can see parts of the interstate. I couldn't tell that was a road.
What?
I couldn't tell it was a road. Hold on, I'll tell you we're going to be getting there. You have to look. Somebody right below us, please. Oh, I think it's on the other side. It's on the other side. I'll try to
where the interstate used to be? That's all covered up with mud and goo and water now?
Well,
Oh, I
you
see
think
the road. You can see it up there.
see where it's up and down?
There's a road right there.
And there's going to be one coming right now. Watch. Can you see it? That's the interstate. Oh, look at my camera.
Oh, look. Look. Take a picture of that.
I'm videotaping this.
Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness.
Look at that interstate.
How many lives just
Says ruined.
God, all you see is water.
You can't even tell because there's no street. That must have been a road at one time too. Oh, look at the road right there.
Look at this poor farm.
You see that, Jess?
We can't.
We can't
Watch your video.
Yeah.
It's not too far over.
Oh, look back that way, Jess.
Look now.
Can you see that? I mean, all I see is water.
I know.
It's coming. You can see it down there?
Yeah.
Where the interstate, like, crisscrosses.
Oh,
the
yeah.
big clover leaf that's not there anymore.
That's crazy. Oh my God.
Crazy.
That's really sad.
Oh my goodness. Look at all that water. That's awful.
The pictures that they show on the internet are nothing.
No.
compared to- no, I mean, nothing.
You can't even, I don't even know where the river is. I don't know where it's supposed to be.
We're supposed to be either. How long will it take for all of this to be
They,
absorbed?
like, months, if it even does, next year.
You can see it like crazy. It's okay here, you know?
Oh, there's the airport.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to post it. So
I will.
I can
I'll put it
watch
on
it
YouTube. I'll upload it on YouTube. I'm gonna send it to you. Oh, what is that? Oh, there's boats. And what was a house or something.
Used to be.
I think, is that the river?
What a great tour.
Yeah, that was
He gave
really
us a
cool.
great tour.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, we're gonna see a lot. I don't think we're gonna be able to see anything. There's the, this is the levee right here. That's what I want to see. I can't even see where it's at. There it is.
Oh, and look at.
Oh my
can you
gosh.
see the interstate yet? It's coming.
Oh my God.
Look, there's waves.
Because it's breaking over them. It's so hard.
Can you see?
No, probably not. I mean, you can't see. Look at all the water. That's all you see is water.
That's all you see is water.
Oh, there's some grass coming up. There's some light
You'll
poles.
see that person's pivot, so it must not be as tall.
What's
Some
pivot?
areas. You know what a pivot is? You have to be shitting me. Oh my god, a pivot is what farmers use to water their fields.
Oh, okay, a sprinkler.
Like,
Billy,
one of those
I
long
didn't know what it
things.
was called.
Wow, really?
Did you know
That
it was
blows
a
my
pivot?
mind.
No.
I didn't know it was a pivot.
There's a levee.
Look at how fast the water's moving.
Wow.
It is so close to the freaking airport there.